Hey everybody, it's Brenda. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday. I've been trying to film on Saturdays because those are the days that I usually like to take slow. I usually don't do anything too extravagant. I don't do the grocery shopping. I don't do like reset things. And a lot of people do that on their weekends, especially on Sundays, but I like to get it done in increments throughout the week so that it doesn't pile up and so that I could have a day or two of just full-on relaxation, slow days and whatnot. So I'm actually drinking some tea because my sinuses are acting up again. This weather out here in Cali, it's been dry, it's been windy, and apparently there's like some storm coming in. I don't know if you guys noticed earlier, like the clouds. Yeah, well now it's super cloudy. That's why I have my lamp on. So far, I've had a really slow, cozy morning. Also thought that maybe it would be fun to kind of do this productivity planner. But before I fill this out, I'm going to do some computer work. One of those tasks is to do some editing. I have to organize all the footage. My sister invited me for a snack, and not just me, she invited my mom too, so she's up there with her. And she said, where are we going, sis?
We are going to Juice It Up and Starbucks.
Wow, so Juice It Up and Starbucks?
Yes, sirski.
I'm not gonna order anything from the juice bar because it is way too cold for that. She offered Starbucks, so I'm probably gonna get an extra hot drink to enjoy later this evening. What happened to your juice? You spilled it everywhere. What happened here?
Stay there. My mom said.
Let the rain fall down and wake my... I ordered a tall cinnamon dulce with oat milk, decaf, no dairy today. We're staying away from the friendly cow and we're heading back home. Taste test. Back home from our coffee / smoothie run, and I'm warming up leftovers for dinner, even though I snuck in some coffee sips here, but I am warming up dinner because I haven't had dinner quite yet. Some oven baked chicken thighs, bone in, super juicy and tasty, sauteed green beans and mushrooms, and some fluffy mashed potatoes. Super warm and cozy. This is gonna taste real good. Hello and happy Sunday. So I'm all bundled up because it is a rainy, cloudy, cold day. And speaking of cold, I don't know what's going on, but basically my sinuses are acting up again. And I don't know if it's just a cold that I'm catching or again my sinus is acting up, not sure. So today, this morning, right now, I'm heading over to the CVS pharmacy. This time we're not going to go pick up fun scrapbooking photos. I'm actually heading out there to go pick up some over-the-counter, medication or something to kind of help me with all of the symptoms that I've got going on. It's weird because I was just sick not even 2 weeks ago. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's something around the air. Let's head on over because that CVS pharmacy tends to get real crowded and tends to have long lines, and it's already kind of mid-morning. But yeah, this is my Sunday. Happy Sunday. Nothing glamorous about this, but I am doing a steam treatment, and I just did take some of the medicine, made myself some ginger tea, and I'm playing my current favorite show called Sue Thomas. It's an old show. It's pretty good. It's pretty entertaining. But I'm just gonna do the 10-minute treatment of this and just try to take it easy, drink my tea. This is crazy. I'm gonna make myself a chicken bone broth to sip. It has protein in it. I did this the last time I was sick and it was really soothing, but I'm gonna make it a little bit different today. So let me show you how I make it. So making a bone sipping broth, I like to use the potent ingredients of a good old onion and garlic because that's always really good for your immune system. Today I have fresh thyme and rosemary that I need to use up from the fridge. So I'm gonna toss that in there and it smells really good. A lemon, and this is from my mom's lemon tree. So we have our ingredients that needed to be prepped, ready to go. And then this is also an ingredient. It's obviously the bone broth. This is a Costco brand. It tastes pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and pour the chicken broth in here. This is super easy. There's nothing to saute really. I really just dump everything in, and we're gonna let it come to a boil and let it simmer for maybe 15 minutes. Do the onion in here, and then garlic cloves, the fresh herbs, so the thyme and the rosemary, the virgin coconut oil. It has the most nutrients in it since it was unprocessed basically. So I'm gonna do a couple of tablespoons. They're not heaping, as you can see, they're just kind of like this, just to add some fat to the soup, and this way it'll make me feel a little bit more satisfied. And also fat is important so that your body can absorb the nutrients. So that's gonna be our source of fat in here. Usually I just do a bay leaf as well, but I'm gonna just add one because I already have the rosemary and thyme in there. So I'm only gonna do one bay leaf in there, which is my favorite. With the salt, this bone broth already has sodium in it. It has 95 milligrams of sodium per 1 cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of sea salt to enhance the flavors in here. And today I'm gonna be adding a little bit of ginger in here. Just a little bit like this, because ginger is a very strong spice. Oh, and we forgot the lemon. Everything I did, I basically just dumped in all the ingredients. I'm gonna bring down the heat when it comes to a boil and put the lid on and let it simmer for maybe like 5 minutes before I start tasting the broth and adjusting the flavors. All right, it's come to a pretty big boil, so we're going to turn it down. Well, I should have covered it first so y'all get the gist. We're gonna let that simmer for maybe 5 minutes or so. Okay, time to taste this broth to see where we're at with the salt. Gotta mix it up a little bit. I kind of forgot to do that, but really it should be fine. So let me see where I'm at with this spoon. Oh wow, that tastes really good. We're gonna put a little bit more salt in here. So I'm gonna do about half a teaspoon of sea salt in here, just to kind of really bring out the flavors. Add black pepper for a kick of spice. Time to enjoy this with some crackers. This. That broth was really soothing. And now I'm gonna try and get ready for church because we can't be going out like this. And I've got my flat iron going. It's the easiest look you could go for. Straighten hair, it always looks clean and neat and put together. I'm gonna spray some of my favorite Pureology Fanatic. This is typically applied when your hair is damp. Mine isn't, but it's super frizzy. And I don't have a hair product for frizziness. I wanted to get the one from Pureology, but you know, do I really need it? No, it doesn't get frizzy all the time, so. This iron is the T3. Love it. It works really good. As you guys can see, I have pretty thick, coarse, wavy hair. But look at it. Whoa. Isn't that satisfying to watch? Look at that. And then if I go again, it's gonna go even way more flatter. You see that? Look at that. Look at that wave there in the corner. Boom. So yeah, my hair is super wavy. I don't know if it's super, but it's pretty wavy. So sometimes I have to go 2 to 3 times over it on the highest heat setting, which is why I don't like to style my hair every day. I don't like to put heat on it every day, especially since I have like the color in it. So I have to be very mindful of all of that. But for example, look at this wave right here. Let's straighten this one out. And you guys are gonna see that how like it straightens. So look. Look at that. Not too bad, right? But I didn't get that other one because I didn't really include it. I have to go again. And also I need to go get my hair color in. I was due for a, what do they call it? What do they call it when you, toner. I was due for a toner last month, December. But December, your girl was going through it and did not make time. My hair was the last thing on my mind. So I figured, you know what? I'll just wait till springtime, you know, spring hair or whatever. But I'm realizing that this color needs that toner. Otherwise, I'm gonna start looking green and orange. So probably gonna make an appointment tomorrow to see what they have. They're probably gonna tell me that they're booked because of Valentine's Day or something, but I'm not getting my hair done for the sake of Valentine's Day. I just really would like to get the toner in there. Otherwise, it's gonna be a whole project again when I go in. My hair is okay, ready to go. I'm all ready to go to church, straighten my hair, and I decided to put one of my new bows on here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn around so you guys can see it, just to accessorize this hair. And it kind of goes with the sweater color. And this sweater is from H&M, and my pants are from Macy's. These are my favorite pants. I wear them pretty much all the time. I have a second pair of these. These are my everyday ones, and then the other ones are a little bit more brand new looking. And then I'm wearing my Amazon boots that I got last winter. These are pretty much ready to go. But since it's wet and rainy outside, I don't want to dirty my new boots. So this is going to be today's Sunday outfit. Feeling a little better after all of the things that I've done today to try and help my sinuses. Well, that is a wrap for this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all on the next vlog. Bye.